Guys, hope you guys are doing well. It's so hot over here in Kansas. I don't know if you can hear the cicada, but I have a new mask, right, to share with you. I don't have a video yet, but I put together a step-by-step PDF tutorial. It's for this mask. You see, it's rounded. This is the view from the nose side. This is the view from the chin side. The side profile. It has a pocket opening for filter in the nose wire channel for a removable nose wire. And it's constructed using just one piece of fabric and one piece of interfacing inside. So when this is done, you actually got 2 layers of cotton and 2 layers of interfacing. It's very, very roomy. Oop, it got caught with my flower. It has a lot of talking and breathing space. It's very comfortable. I've worn this a couple of times out and about, and it stays on my face pretty securely. It didn't want to glide down my face. So, there's flowers. Like, okay. But anyway, so I put together a step-by-step PDF, and I'll put the link in the video description area. Just go ahead and download it and give it a look and try to make one. And there's also a template in the last page. So hopefully I will be able to do a video pretty soon. But right now there's a PDF. So take a look and give it a try and let me know if you like this mask. Okay, I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye.